Module Overview. One of the greatest challenges artists face when transitioning from creative expression to entrepreneurship is determining how to price their work, evaluate its worth, and manage finances like a business owner. Many talented artists fail to sustain their careers simply because they underprice their work, fail to track expenses, or lack knowledge of basic financial principles. In this module, we go beyond pricing theory to equip artists with practical, data-driven tools for setting rates, handling payments, evaluating profit margins, and developing financial discipline. You will explore the psychology of pricing, understand the difference between value and cost, and build a system for tracking their income and expenses. They will also learn how to prepare for taxes, raise their rates ethically, and grow from scarcity into financial stability. 1. The psychology of pricing and perceived value. Price is more than a number, it's a message. It tells your audience what your work is worth, what kind of clientele you serve, and how much you believe in your own creativity. Key topics. Why underpricing damages both reputation and business. The myth of exposure versus the reality of exploitation. Price anchoring and how luxury pricing works. Perceived value and how presentation, branding, and storytelling influence it. How confidence and professionalism impact you to charge more. Case studies. 2 artists with identical talent and output. One charges 10,000 naira per painting, the other one 100,000 naira. Why? Presentation and positioning. You will analyze their pricing mindset and start reprogramming limiting beliefs around money and worth. 2. Pricing models and strategies for artists. There is no one-size-fits-all formula for pricing art. However, there are proven methods that help create fairness, profitability, and scalability. Topics include common pricing strategies, cost-based pricing, materials plus time plus markup, value-based pricing, pricing based on audience perception and market demand, hourly rate model, best for services like mural painting or design, flat fee pricing, best for packages and digital offerings, tiered pricing, offering bronze/silver/gold packages for services. Factors to consider: medium, size, complexity, originality, licensing rights, overheads and taxes, competitor pricing and client budget ranges. You will use pricing worksheets to calculate ideal pricing for different products and services. 3. Building a pricing ladder and upsell strategy. Many artists lose income by offering only one price point. This section teaches how to create a pricing ladder, a range of offerings that cater to various customer segments and increase average order value. Key topics: entry-level products, e.g., prints, stickers, for casual buyers, mid-range products services for repeat customers, premium offerings, e.g., originals, murals, private coaching, creating bundle offers and upsells, e.g., buy a framed print and get a digital wallpaper free. Subscription or membership models. How to raise prices without losing clients. This section helps artists design a product, service pricing ecosystem that serves different audience levels while increasing revenue. 4. Financial literacy and income management for creatives. This section introduces foundational financial literacy for artists, including tracking income and expenses, profit versus revenue, budgeting and cash flow management, using accounting software or spreadsheets for tracking sales and commissions, financial goal setting and savings, when and how to reinvest in your business. Special focus: separating personal and business finances, opening a business account, paying yourself a salary, and setting up emergency funds. You will receive a simple financial tracker template and set monthly and quarterly financial goals. 5. Taxation, legal compliance, and financial discipline. Ignoring taxes can lead to legal trouble. This section helps you prepare for professional obligations and long-term success. Topics include registering your business, CAC in Nigeria, EIN in the US, etc. Understanding local tax policies for freelance artists and entrepreneurs, invoicing and receipts, creating legally valid documentation, bookkeeping and basic accounting for creatives, contracts and deposits for commissioned work. How to create and maintain financial discipline and overcome emotional spending. Learning outcomes of Module 4. By the end of this module, you will be able to understand how psychology and branding affect perceived value, apply appropriate pricing strategies for their art products and services, create multiple price points to serve various customer segments, track and manage income, expenses, and business cash flow, handle taxation, bookkeeping, and legal compliance professionally, develop financial discipline, and plan for long-term wealth.